I am not sorry for something I didn't do, and I am not sorry for the things I did do.
I'm saying to pull the trigger to kill your son. No, that's basically not right.
This is 29-year-old Ronnie O'Neill III. He is being charged for killing his 33-year-old girlfriend Kenyatta Barron, his 9-year-old disabled daughter Ronavia, and assault and battery of his 8-year-old son, Ronnie IV. On March 18, 2018, around 11:48 p.m., the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office received an emergency call from Kenyatta Barron.
What's the address of the emergency, ma'am? What's the address of your emergency?
Shot, help me, please.
What's your address?
What's your address? Whoever shot me, help me, please. Shot me.
Where?
Oh, no, what the?
Ma'am, hello, ma'am. All right. Ma'am, hello. Hello.
Oh, no, this one fucked up thing with this ass, nigga. Not. Right now, come out here and help me kill this bitch. Now!
During his murder trial, he decided to represent himself acting as his own attorney. His erratic and aggressive behavior in court was a stark contrast to the solemn proceedings expected in such serious cases.
Because I want you to know the actual facts. I did kill Kenyatta Barron.
Representing himself as his own attorney, he cross-examined witnesses, including his own surviving son, showing no compassion or sorrow for the trauma he inflicted.
Did you see me shoot your mom?
No.
Did I hurt you that night of this incident?
Yes.
I did. And how did I hurt you?
You stabbed me.
O'Neill's demeanor remained cold and detached throughout the trial. At times, he even seemed to relish the attention, making outrageous statements and outbursts.
I am not sorry for something I didn't do, and I am not sorry for the things I did do.
Mr. O'Neill,
All right.
listen, stop,
All right.
listen to me. You're
not-
not going to raise your voice again.
I'm
You're
not
not
going to
gonna
raise my
your
voice again. I'm not.
I will have you removed from this courtroom. I can sentence you without you being present.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't conduct yourself.
I understand, Your Honor.
Thank you.
But I will say, I'm sorry for your loss.
In her 19-year judicial career, Judge Michelle Cisco described it as the worst case she's ever seen.
However, 19 years I've been at this job. I've seen human beings killed at the hands of others in every way imaginable. You name it, I've seen it. Shootings, stabbings, drownings, suffocatings, blown apart by cars, some DUI manslaughter cases, horrible things. This is the worst case I have ever seen as far as the facts go.
O'Neill filed motions claiming that he was acting in self-defense and requesting to defend himself on the basis of Florida's Stand Your Ground law. However, the judge rejected this request, finding Ronnie ineligible for a Stand Your Ground defense. In the end, justice was served. In June of 2021, Ronnie was found guilty of 2 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of attempted first-degree murder, 2 counts of aggravated child abuse, 1 count of arson, and 1 count of resisting a law enforcement officer. And as for Ronnie's surviving son, he got a new start. Now, Ronnie has a new family and new siblings who have welcomed him into their lives.
One of the best moms and dads. They take care of me.
Insane pulled the trigger to kill their sons, now masturbates to memory.
In February 2012, the small town of Chardon, Ohio, was forever changed by a tragic school shooting. The perpetrator, 17-year-old TJ Lane, carried out a brutal attack at Chardon High School, killing.
Chardon High School, we had shots fired, gunshots, multiple gunshots. 911.
Chardon High School, we need police up here. Was there someone in the building with a gun?
Yeah.
What shocked the nation even more than the crime itself was Lane's chilling lack of remorse in court. After entering the courtroom for the sentencing hearing, Lane removed his dress shirt to reveal a white t-shirt which had the word killer handwritten across the front. He smiled and smirked throughout the hearing. Lane's lack of remorse was evident in every aspect of his behavior. He gave a vulgar and taunting statement during his sentencing, further demonstrating his complete disregard for the lives he had destroyed.
Insane pulled the trigger to kill their sons, now masturbates to memory. Love you.
His words were met with gasps and tears from the victims' families, who had hoped for some semblance of remorse. Courtroom observers and legal experts were appalled by Lane's behavior. His lack of empathy and blatant disrespect for the victims and their families underscored his dangerous and remorseless nature. The judge, visibly disturbed by Lane's actions and words, sentenced him to 3 life sentences without the possibility of parole.